Hello children, we have completed lesson 3 in EVS. Today we will see lesson 4, the lifestyles of animals, biodiversity. Lifestyles means the way in which birds and animals live and grow is called lifestyle. Biodiversity. Biodiversity means the variety of plants and animals in the world is called biodiversity. See in your textbook page number 30. Human beings live in families. Therefore, they are called social animals. For our various needs, we are dependent on each other. We gather food to eat, clothes to wear, house to live in, and vehicles to travel. What about animals? How do they live? What do they do for their living? Do you know the lifestyle of animals? Children, we already seen in our previous lesson, birds and animals are also living things like human beings. They live in groups. It is interesting for us to learn many things from nature. The shelter of animals and birds differ according to their surroundings and climatic conditions. It is necessary that all of us should observe and develop the ability to learn the shelters of animals and birds around us. We must not harm birds and animals. Most of the birds and animals help us in many ways. We must love and feed the animals and birds. We should protect them. Now, see the picture given below in our textbook. Have you ever seen the animals in this picture above? Yes, we have seen the herd of elephants in the forest. How many elephants are there in the herd? Where are they going? There are 10 elephants in the herd. They are going in search of food. Why do they move in herds? What could be the benefits of moving the herds? The elephants generally move in herds because they like community living. If they move in herds, they can help one another. They collectively swim in water, play and splash in water. They can protect themselves from enemies. They teach their babies how to swim. Now see the next heading in our textbook. How do animals live? Elephants in the forest live in herds. There may be 10 to 12 elephants in each herd, along with their babies. Female elephants are more in number. Male elephants leave the herd at the age of 15. Usually, the old elephant leads the herd. H-E-R-D, herd. Underline the word herd. She starts her journey in the morning with a trumpet. Trumpet, T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. Underline the word. Others follow her. Trumpet means the sound made by the elephant. Others follow her. The journey halts where rich vegetation is seen. Vegetation, underline the word vegetation. All feed on the leaves and the tender branches. By afternoon, they enter a nearby water source and swim in water. The babies are taught to swim. They play splashing with their trunks. Underline the word splashing. This way of living in groups ensures the protection of their baby elephants. Food search and the defense from the enemies. Now see the questions which are given in our textbook. Which other animals live in herds? Mostly we see monkeys, goats, sheep, wolves, etc. live in herds. Did you see the herds of monkeys anytime? Second question. Did you see a herd of monkeys anytime? Why do they live in herds? We see herds of monkeys moving. They live in herds to share food and to protect themselves from their enemies. Describe the lifestyle of different animals. Most of the animals like to live in herds, but only few animals like to move alone. What might be the reason for the animals to live together? The reasons of living together are: animals like to lead a social life. They eat and drink together. They protect themselves by fighting against the enemies united.